So someone has asked a question that there are three concentric spherical cells. These are conducting. Their radius is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Okay, and the potential is given on these spherical cell. So the potential on 1 centimeter spherical conducting cell is 10 volt. On the 2 centimeter spherical conducting cell is 0 volt, and on 40 centimeter conducting cell is 40 volt. Okay, so we have been asked to calculate the potential at r equals to 1.2 centimeter and r equals to 2.5 centimeter, and we have to calculate the ratio of them. So let me see the question is I have noted correct or not. So yeah, so the distances are in centimeter. Yeah, it's correct. So here the system is the system is completely a spherical symmetry. So that's why what we are going to do is that we are going to solve this Poisson's equation. So we will be solving this Poisson equations. To solve this Poisson equation, we have to use the Laplacian operator, general case of Laplacian operator. And so this is the general case of Laplacian operator, where h1 is equals to 1, h2 equals to r sine theta, r, h3 equals to r sine theta. Okay, and q1 equals to r, q2 equals to theta, and q3 equals to phi. So we use this general case and we get the Laplacian equation, differential equation for spherical symmetry, and we solve this differential equation, we get this solution. Again, now we have to evaluate this solution in different region. Since the question is asked to evaluate potential at r equals to 1.25 centimeter, this means we are in the region A. We are in this region, and the potential is asked on 2.5 centimeter radius. So this is in this radius region. So we have to solve. We have to get the solution in both regions. So let's first solve in region A. So region A. So region A is bounded by two boundaries. One is 10 volt boundary, another is 0 volt boundary. So let's satisfy these conditions. So V at r equals to 1, how much is this? 10 volt. So here distances are in centimeter and the potential is in volt. So 1 centimeter, or you can say 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So it is how much? So it is 10 volt. Okay, so this is 10 volt. So 10 equals to minus C1 by 10 to the power minus 2 plus C2. So this give you what? Multiply by 10. So yeah, 10 equal to minus C 100 plus C2, or you can say C2 minus C1, 100 C1 is 210. So this is one equation. Now we have another equation is r equals to minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. This is 2 centimeter radius, and we have the potential 0. So V equals to, so if the potential is 0, V equals to 0 minus C1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus C2. So this will give us what? C2 equals to C1 by 2 into 100. So this goes this right hand side, and we get this. Yeah, so C2 equals to 50 C1. So now use this equation in this. So 10 equal to C2 is 50 C1 minus 100 C1. So how much is this? Minus 50 C1, which gives you C1 is equal to minus 1 by 5. So this is C1. Okay, so C2 is 50 multiplied by minus 1 by 5, which give you minus 10. And this is C2. The solution in VA region is what is on the solution minus to C1. So C1 by 1 by 5 are plus C2 minus 10. This is the solution in VA region, A region minus R to. So the general solution was minus C1 by R plus C2. So we have evaluated and we put this minus plus 1 by 5 or yeah. So this is, now we have to evaluate VB. To evaluate VB, we have to satisfy the condition at R equals to 4 centimeter and R equals to 2 centimeter. Okay, so the potential at this boundary is given how much? The potential at this boundary is 40 volt. So this is 40 volt. Okay, so minus C1 by 4 into 100 plus C2 goes to 14. Okay, fine. So yeah, so we have to solve this equation. Okay, so this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now we have to put R equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. How much is this? So this is, we are solving. So we used this boundary. Now we are using this, which is 0. So this will give the same equation which we obtained by. So this will give C2 is equal to, if we satisfy this we will get this C2 equals to 57. So you will use this equation in this equation, minus C1 by 4 100 plus C2 57 into 40. So what this will do, so यहाँ जाए, this will give 25, yeah, 25 C1 and 25 subtracted by 25 C1 is equal to 40. C1 is equal to 40 by 25, 8 by 5. So VB, potential in VB region is, so let's find the C2 also. 50 multiplied by C1 is 8 by 5, which give you 80. Right, so VB equals to minus 8 by 5 R plus C2 is 80. So this is the potential in VB region. Now the potential is asked at V equals to R equals to 1.25, which means 10 to the power minus 2 meter. The potential is asked at this distance. So how much it will be? And potential is R equals to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so we have to evaluate this. So when this comes in the VA region, this comes out the VB region. So put R equals to 1.25 centimeter in VA. So VA R equals to 1.25 centimeter will be minus 1 by 5 R minus 10. So R is equal to this here, R is equal to 1 by 5 R is equal to 1.25 and 100. Okay, so this is minus 10. So how much it will give? This is 1. So this will become 20 by 1.25 minus 10. Is it 10? Yeah. system. This 20, 200, 125 minus 10. Okay, now okay, so this is VA at given location. Now we will evaluate VB. So what is this? Minus 855 and R is 2.5 into 100, okay, plus 80. So this will become minus 8 is 0.5 plus 80. So 2.5 25 0 just 64 plus 80, and this 64 we will eliminate, we will get 16. Yeah, so the ratio will be VA upon VB is equals to 6/16, which is this is the solution. So it is clear here that so answer is not matching with any option. So maybe the options are incorrect, but this is the solution which is correct. And this solution is correct or not, how will you know? So the potential at the outer boundary is 40 volt, but the potential in the middle boundary is 0 volt. That means the potential, there is some negative charge inside there. So yeah, if you are calculating the potential in more inside, that will be low, and as you calculate potential more outside, that will be large. Between the r equals to 1 and r equals to 4 centimeter radius. So the solution is correct.